Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this exponential equation. The equation is 1 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equals to 9 to the power x, and we have to find the value of x. Now let's see how do we proceed in this question. Just divide the whole equation with 9 to the power x. So we get here 1 to the power x upon 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x upon 9 to the power x is equals to 9 to the power x upon 9 to the power x. Now cancel out these two terms, and here you get, as you know that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b whole to the power m. So this can be written as 1 upon 9 whole to the power x plus 3 upon 9 whole to the power x is equals to 1. Further, you can write this 1 upon 9 as 1 upon 3 square whole to the power x plus this 3, and this 9 is cancelled. So you get here 1 upon 3 whole to the power x is equals to 1. Further, you can write this as 1 upon 3 whole square whole to the power x plus 1 upon 3 to the power x is equals to 1. Now as you can see that these two exponents get multiplied, so you can write it as 1 upon 3 whole to the power 2x plus 1 upon 3 whole to the power x is equals to 1. Now let's assume that m is equals to 1 upon 3 whole to the power x. Now just replace it in the equation. So you get here m square plus m is equals to 1. Further, you can simplify it as m square plus m minus 1 is equals to 0. Now you know that this equation is a quadratic equation. Comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, you have a is 1, that is coefficient of m square, b is 1, that is coefficient of m, and c is minus 1. Now putting these values in the standard quadratic formula, that is b square minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So you get m is equals to minus 1 plus minus b square, that is 4, and then a is 1 minus 1 upon 2 into 1. Now we have m is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 4 upon 2. Further, you will get m is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 2. As we assumed that m is equals to 1 upon 3 whole to the power x. So replace it, minus 1 plus under root 5 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 whole to the power x is equals to minus 1 minus under root 5 upon 2. 1 upon 3 whole to the power x is a positive value and this is a negative value. So this positive value cannot be equal to this negative value. So we reject this solution of x, right? So we work on this, that is 1 upon 3 whole to the power x is equals to minus 1 plus under root 5 upon 2. What we are going to do this, we just take log on both sides. This is equals to log of minus 1 plus under root 5 upon 2, right? Further, you can write it as x log of 1 upon 3 is equals to log of minus 1 plus under root 5 upon 2. Now divide by log of 1 upon 3 on the both sides. So this and this is cancelled. So you get x, and here you can write it as log to the base 1 upon 3 whole to the power whole bracket minus 1 plus under root 5 upon 2. And this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.